This is my family. Lavalava, welcome back to our channel. Thank you for subscribing if you have.
If you haven't, make sure to smash that subscribe button right now.
Ole tusle nei la paita watu Lavalava.
Lavalava.
Lino Nelisi.
Lino Nelisi.
Wa'u o Sophie. O lo'u ainga le nei. O lo'u tamalea e whailo na ia Lavalava pe a pese. O lo'u tinalea e whailo na ia Lavalava pe a taalo kilikiti. O lo'u tuangane lea e whailo na ia Lavalava pe a simba. O le tamale nei o lo'u tina e whailo na ia Lavalava pe a alu e whaasawali le maile. O le tina lea o lo'u tina e whailo na ia Lavalava pe a whailo na tungala au. Lo'u ia Lavalava lea e whailo ia Lavalava pe a o moe. Manuia le po. Alright. Lavalava by Lino Nelisi. I am Sophie. This is my family. This is my dad. He wears a Lavalava when he sings. This is my mum. She wears a Lavalava when she plays kilikiti. This is my brother. He wears a Lavalava when he dances. Goku, Shiva. This is my granddad. He wears a Lavalava when he takes the dog for a walk. This is my grandma. She wears a Lavalava when she's gardening. This is my Lavalava. I wear my Lavalava in bed. Good night. Let us know in the comments below what color your Lavalava is.
And when you wear it. I have a red Lavalava. I brought it to school. And we all have red. I want a very red one.
Actually, Eli does have one. I made him one.
But then you cut it up into that pterodactyl.
I cut up Eli's Lavalava to make a dinosaur costume.
Yee-hoo!
But for now, I send my thanks and warmest good wishes to you all.
Subscribe to Reading with Uncle Roughneck. Tell your mom, tell your dad,
Tell your
auntie,
friends.
cousin. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to Reading with Uncle Roughneck.
And his 3 daughters. See, he's a girl.
Hey, Felicia.
He's a girl.
Manuela po! Meron naman sa